Last year we were here. You were there. When we showered those same girls, they had us. Tukasema, mbele iko sawa. This year we are here. You are here. Smiling from here to here. We still believe in our chief principal, our mom of excellence, Reverend Edith Koech. Mbele iko sawa. For we can see the future, our future, your future, the future of Hussein Girls High School. We can see the future, inciting, tenderizing, mesmerizing, mbele iko sawa. Yes, we look at the camera, smile at the camera, wink at the camera. Hussein Girls changamka, Hussein Girls shangilia. Chief principal wetu ameamua, our teachers wamejitolea. Hussein Girls tutainua, ikuwe up, up, up zaidi. Mbele iko sawa. Twajua wajua, Simba ni moja. With him, dreams are fulfilled, stress levels are lowered, hope is rekindled, his magic shield is a wonder to ponder. Mbele iko sawa. To our distinguished chief guest, Honorable Bitok, we love you. Pamoja na timu yako. Asante kwa CBE. We can see the future. CBE is a magic shield for all the learners. STEM, creative arts, social sciences, mbele iko sawa. CBE tumeipokea. Wanafunzi wanasema, hii imeenda. Haki woye, please, tumalizie tu majengo. Na walimu wetu waendelee kuchapa kazi. Mbele iko sawa.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. They have spoken.